everybody. We're at the end. She's done. They're done. It's long, but I put it in chapters so you can skip around if you want to. Just skip to the end to see how it came out. I just hope you really enjoyed, everybody. So these hands are a bit of an experiment. I was trying to get the wrist part as thin as I could get. I have a different hand armature that I make. Oh, that's baking soda, by the way. That doesn't require baking soda and super glue and baking soda and super glue. I don't know what I was thinking. If anybody would like to see how I do my armature now, you can just comment below. As you can see, it did get pretty thin, but it was way too complicated to just get to that part. Thing like I did with my mime. It didn't work. Oh, I have to do something like this. Oh, okay. Just get ready. Put it in this hand. That. What? I guess I gotta do it the hard way. So I wanted to record the whole hand sculpting thing, but my mind and my hands were not connecting. And it was taking too long and giving me a really hard time to get how I like to. Yeah, I just cut the whole thing out. I also had to break her fingers to fit around the thing, but don't worry, she's all nice and repaired. She spent some time in the hospital, that's all. So here I am trying to position her arms around the ropes with tape. Not doing so well. Here she is after tons and tons of super glue to finally get her hands to stay. was for a sculpting stand. When I first got the sculpting stand, I was giving it to so many sculpts that end up not having it anyway. So yeah, that's what that's about. Just gonna fix that little crack there. Wait! Safety first! So here we have some water with a bit of dish soap to not clog the sandpaper. I can't remember exactly where I learned it, but it's a pretty neat trick. Here she is after being all rinsed and dried off. I put a bit of baby oil so that her clay doesn't look all dry and pasty. Here's the only footage I have for clothes straps, but this time it's the camera's fault because I forgot to record, but it's still the camera's fault. Just painting it to a bit more of the color that I was imagining. It's a bit too salmony before. And this part looks sped up, but actually I had to slow it down because that's how fast I was with painting those straps. Believe it. That's a joke, of course. I was moving as slow as molasses in the middle of December. Now for my all-time favorite part is bringing the little sculpt to life. I'm painting her with Genesis Heat Set Oil paints. That's discontinued, but I still have a little bit, so I'm hoping that soon an alternative will come up. For a skirt, I decided to use actual fabric and put a design on it with alcohol inks. Put some cling film down so it won't ruin the rest of my little setup. Oh, I forgot some. My gloves! Now what I'm going to do is very dangerous, so make sure if you're going to do anything like this, that you use a respirator and in a well-ventilated area, or maybe even not do it at all. Sorry about that. Sometimes when the music hits you, just gotta go with the rhythm. Where are those pliers? I'm testing out this new hair that I just got. Well, it's not really testing, I've used it. But it's cruelty-free alpaca hair. I like that the strands were bigger, so I was hoping that maybe I'll give a little more realism to how she'll end up. First I have to, yeah. I think this color will match her much more than the white. Now on to make the wefts. Here I'm putting on the edge, the edge part of your hair, with some water and some glue. Some water. I'm sorry it gets a little blurry sometimes. It's kind of hard. I had to hold it to my face and to the camera, but I hope you kind of get what I was trying to do. Here she is, all glued down. Now I just gotta wait a day till it dries completely. Okay, so sometimes during the drying thing, I thought she looked a little bare up there. So I just put a whole bunch of glue with the web and just, squat. Just squished it down on there and then continued to let it dry. And here, I guess I was boring my tripod because it just started to wander around. So again, I am so sorry. And this little thing I'm putting around her is a makeshift barber cape, so that cleaning up will be a lot less of a headache. It's made with paper towel and tape. Here she is after she got all cut up. After her hair got all trimmed. And this little thing is just water and a little fancy perfume bottle. This is how she looks after she gets all styled up with the water. I let this sit for a day, and if I still like it, I'll just set it with hairspray. Bum, bum, bum. So here she is. Here she is after it's been a whole day and I set it with the hairspray. I really liked how it turned out. I think I do like this alpaca, at least for this, because it does, to me, look more realistic. I really do like it. Words, sometimes they're not mindful in my head. That didn't make any sense, sorry. And she's completely done, but she's missing something. Oh, I got it. A little fox friend. Okay, now she's officially done. She's finished. I can't believe it. I apologize so much that it took so long. I didn't expect it to be 4 years. But here we are. I'm sorry. Thank you for anybody who stuck it out with us and watching our videos. We really appreciate that. Oh, and thinking of appreciation, we just got a buy me a coffee. So if anybody would like to show their appreciation for our videos, and that way you can. Of course, I'm going to still make videos, so if I don't even get anything, it's just if you would like to. Of course, you don't have to. However, like if you want to, subscribe if you like us, click the bell to get notified when we have new videos up, follow our socials for more art doll content. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you for watching.